Hi, babe. This is Bambi. I found another little blue truck book. And this one is about Christmas. And Christmas is right around the corner. So, I thought it was very appropriate. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little blue truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're all different sizes and shapes and kinds. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make one big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose, this big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Oh, look at the little babies. They're so excited. Oh, look, there's even some in the tree. They had 5. They took away 1. So now there are 4 in the truck. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. So there was 5, and then they took 1, 2 out. So now there's 1, 2, 3. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Uh-oh, it's about to tip over. Oh, look, they built a snowman over here and have lights on their house. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. I can't wait for you to come in a couple weeks so we can take our little red truck up to the mountains and get a Christmas tree to decorate.